Engineering in Electronics and Communication from University BDT College of Engineering, Davangere in the year 2021. I joined JSPIDER in November 2023. Today, last week I have got placed in a company named GSS, Giridhara Software Limited, as a junior web developer. In there, first round was aptitude. Hari Krishna sir, I have attended Hari Krishna sir aptitude class where I have learnt techniques to how we can reduce the time for solving all the problems. And next was a technical round. In technical round 1, they have taught me, they have asked theoretical and programming based questions. Here I have completed my core Java by Shankar Narayan sir, which helped me a lot, and programming classes as well from Aruna ma'am. Those were only basic programming classes, but it helped me a lot for solving logical based programming questions. And second round was purely based on programming. So this and due to the training in JSPIDERS, I have got placed in GSS. So I highly recommend for the freshers or the learners who are keen to learn the concepts in depth. So thank you, JSPIDERS.